Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker. On today's episode, nag-band feature tayo at kikilalanin natin ang bandang Escaping Aries, isang pop-pop band, at alamin natin ang tungkol sa kanilang musika. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go!
Escaping Aries is an indie band from the Philippines, primarily known for their presence in the local alternative rock and pop rock scene. They often perform at various musical events and production gigs across Metro Manila. They played in J-Rock events like the J-Rock Night 6 by Whenever Recording and Fat Cat Productions. Their sound typically blends with melodic hooks with emotional, lyrical themes and characteristics of the modern Pinoy indie rock movement.
So nakilala ko ang bandang Escaping Aries sa event ni Iraq sa Red Scarlet sa relaunch tour back noong October 2025. At dito nakakausap ko mismo yung banda. Talagang actually na caught attention ako sa kanilang banda dahil nung nag-perform sila, naka-cosplay sila. At mula no, na curious ako at doon ko nga sila nakakilala. At sobrang friendly at approachable ng mga bandang to. Mga tropa natin to mga to. At last time din, nag-perform din sila sa event ko sa Death Note Distortion nung birthday gig ko nung April 25. At sobrang nag-enjoy ako pag sila nag-perform kasi talagang energetic sila. So, I want to share this video ng kanilang live performance sa event ng Thursday Punk back nung March this year. So, I hope you like this video. And that was Escaping Aries live performance. So, ang masasabi ko sa bandang to ay talagang napaka-solid at talagang napaka-galing na banda. Napaka-talented ng each member sa talagang napaka-energetic nila. Very contagious yung kanilang music and talagang kino-cover nila yung mga nakasanayan nating emo music in the year 2000. At whenever they play talagang wow, solid talaga nila, talagang nag-e-enjoy ako. It brings me back the nostalgic vibe ng high school ako at talagang brings back past memories. So, talagang sobrang na-appreciate ko tong banda na to at napaka-talented nila. And I hope na makasama natin ulit sila at makatugtog sa ating production. Hopefully, no, maraming solid at magagaling na artist sa banda na to. Talagang strongly suggested ko na i-check out nyo sila, check out yung kanilang music. And I'm looking forward na sana ay makapakinig tayo ng kanilang original music. Hopefully soon ay makapag-release din sila. Dito ang Reaper Rocker para suportahan ng yung music. So, please support their socials. Check out nyo yung kanilang Facebook, YouTube. Mag-i-enjoy kayo. Panoorin yung kanilang performance. At check out nyo rin sila sa mga live. Let's check out the spots that we can visit for the following days. Alright, so that was all for the video for today. And let me know in the comment section anong masasabi nyo sa banda Escaping Aries. Feel free to comment down below. At shoutout pala sa mga tropa natin sa Escaping Aries, si Job, si Lojo, Patrick, at mga iba pang mga members natin na solid kayo. At hopefully makita tayo soon. Again, makita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Ian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!